Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about line integrals. So now I will show you how to answer. We have vector RT that just given in here. So this one that's about x. This one that's about y. So if we want to find the x, dy, we need to do first the derivative of the function. So we will have about 4b cosine bt dt. About y, we have t minus 1 square. So we do first the derivative for the both sides. So we have 2 multiplied by t minus 1 dt. And now we have this integration in here. Now we can divide into two integrals. The first one that's about c1 dx, and the second one we have c2 3y to the power of 3 dy. So about dx, that's about this one, and we have the integration from 0 to number 1. And we have 4b cosine 4b, cosine bt dt. The second one we have the negative, and we have the integral from 0 to number 1. Y, that's about this one. So we have t minus 1, because we have the power 2 and the power 3 in here, so you have number 6. This one dy, we change for this one. And now we can calculate about this one in here. The integral of cosine bt, we will have about negative sine bt over, no negative, we have sine bt over b, and we have the bounds from 0 to number 1. So b and b, they will cancel. We put number 1 go in here, number 0 go in here, and we have number 0. The next one, number 3 and number 2, we have number 6. T minus 1 to the power of 6 multiplied by t minus 1, we have number 7. And this one we have t minus 1 to the power of 8 over 8, and we have the bounds from 0 to number 1, and we have the final answer. So this one we calculate, and we have negative 3 over 4, and we have 3 over 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.